How to find Fashion Nova promo code. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to find the amazing promo codes that are working for Fashion Nova, here is a quick tutorial. So first of all, open any of your browser and go to this website called as simplycodes.com. Now in the stores section, choose Fashion Nova promo codes and discounts. Hereby you will see top codes, unverified codes as well. So make sure to choose on the verified codes which are more likely to work. So for this, you just have to tap on use code, which will copy the code. You can now log into your Fashion Nova account and use it on checking out. So in order to do so, just tap on use code option. It is likely to get you to another page which will open Fashion Nova's website. Hereby choose the items that you want to buy and then while checking out, use the promo code you copied before. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.